twebaza olunaku luno tutusizaako olw'abaddu bo n'abazaana bo nga bayise mu kakunguta k'abantu bangi naye ne balondebwa ne bakwasibwa obuvunaanyizibwa okukulembera ekitundu kino eggombolola eno yonna. Mukama tubasabidde obawa omukisa, beera wamu nabo okubakozesa omulimu omulungi nga batunuulira ggwe mu buli mbeera zonna. Matoba baweereze ng'Omwoyo Omutukuvu abalungamye okukola ebyo by'osiima. Ekitiibwa kyo n'okwagala kwe kweyongerenga nga bakola n'okwagala abantu baabwe ate nga bawuliriza n'ebyo biva mu gavumenti ebitulambikibwa okugoberera olw'okwongera okutwala mu maaso eggwanga lyaffe okutwalira wamu. Osigale ng'oli Katonda naffe tusigale nga tuli bantu bo, tulyoke tukweze nga bwe tukisaanira bulijjo. Tusabe byonna mu linnya lya
Electoral District, on behalf of the EC family, Nakisunga Sub-County, and on my behalf, I'm honored to present to you the duly elected leaders for Nakisunga Sub-County. Chairperson, Nakisunga Sub-County, is Honorable Mufuwa Stephen. Directly elected councillors, Katente electoral area is Honorable Chitata Henry Nagwano. Chiola electoral area is Honorable Namwendi Amisi. Chabalogo electoral area is Honorable Cheswa Daniel. I beg your pardon, I had not mentioned Nagwano National Resistance Movement. Chiola electoral area, Honorable Namwendi Amisi, National Resistance Movement. Chabalogo electoral area, Honorable Cheswa Daniel, National Unity Platform. Namaiva electoral area, Honorable Chit Vincent, Democratic Party. Namuyenje electoral area, Honorable Katamba Charles, National Unity Platform. Seta Nazigo electoral Adada Raphael George, National Resistance Movement. Wankova electoral area, Honorable Nunda Noah, National Unity Platform. Chetume electoral area, Honorable Wadimba Rogers, Democratic Party. Women councillors. Chiola Stroke Katente electoral area, Honorable Naiga Oliver Mbazira, National Unity Platform. Chabalogo electoral area, Honorable Ndagire Barbara Jacqueline, National Unity Platform. Namaiva electoral area, Honorable Nambogo Olivia Tsache, National Unity Platform. Namuyenje electoral area, Honorable Nampija Leah, National Unity Platform. Seta Nazigo electoral area, Honorable Mwesigwa Betty, National Resistance Movement. Wankova electoral area, Honorable Nambiru Christine, National Resistance Movement. Chetume electoral area, Honorable Nabayanga Pros Margaret, Democratic Party. Special interest groups, councillors. Male councillor representing the older persons, Honorable Joko Christopher, National Resistance Movement. Male councillor representing people with disabilities, Honorable Johnson Kazumbu Salongo, National Resistance Movement. Male Councillor representing the youth, Honorable Serunjoji Kenneth, National Resistance Movement. Female Councillor representing the older persons, Honorable Namusisi Betty, National Resistance Movement. Female Councillor representing people with disabilities, Honorable Buzanyo Susan, National Resistance Movement. And finally, female councillor representing the youth is Honorable Nalima Janat, National Unity Platform. Ladies and gentlemen, I take this opportunity to once again congratulate the elected leaders, and I wish you the best as you serve the people of Nakisunga for God and my countries, the sub-county election officer for Nakisunga sub-county. Thank you very much.
It's our chief guest, and we are most welcome. Aha! Uganda. In Uganda.